Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. So I spoke about those gas prices at the start of the bulletin. Effective tomorrow, a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will go up by 25 cents. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will also increase by 25 cents. Kerosene will go up by $4.50, that's the circuit breaker markup, and $2 will be added to the cost of propane. $2.36 will go on the cost of butane. Now, each gas station will add their own markups to the ex-refinery rate. So head to the gas station today if you can. To some company news now, digital media and edutech firm iCreate plans to graduate to the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange this year. The company says this is the best step based on its current structure. On December 14, 2022, iCreate issued and listed 641.1 million new additional ordinary shares. This increased the company's subscribed voting share capital by about $641.1 million, and that's upon the conversion of a loan to ordinary share structure. Now, iCreate says the increase in share capital puts the company's participating voting share capital at $765.7 million, which has exceeded the $500 million threshold prescribed by the Jamaica Stock Exchange's junior market framework. Therefore, the company says it will apply for listing on the main market by this year to comply with the regulations. Value added for Jamaica's manufacturing industry increased in the July to September quarter last year. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the industry grew by 9.5%. This was due to higher output levels in both the sub-industries, food, beverages, and tobacco, and other manufacturing. Food, beverages, and tobacco grew by 12.9% and other manufacturing by 4.6%. The growth in the food sub-industry was primarily influenced by increases in the production of meat and meat products, prepared animal feeds, bakery products, and beverages. The increase in the other manufacturing sub-industry was, however, largely due to growth in the production of chemicals and chemical products, as well as paper and paper products. Meanwhile, Statin says the production of refined petroleum products fell for the third quarter. It says this was due to maintenance activities resulting in a fall in production of petroleum products, especially heavy fuel oil and unleaded 87 gasoline. Growth in the other manufacturing sub-industry was, however, tempered by a decline in non-metallic material products. Now, again, the data provided by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin is organized based on the Jamaica Industrial Classification of 2016. And to the currency market now, the US dollar is being sold for an average $152.85. $112.52 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $183.70 for the pound, while it's costing an average $161.74 for the euro. The second day of trading for the new year saw the JSE index suffering a 2.5% loss, pushing the combined index down by 8,910 points. This is in the context of a number of global jitters impacting stock markets, including concerns that there could be further economic slowdown. Now, in the local market, the main index fell by 9,089 points, while the junior market index fell by 47 points, or about 1%. Leading the advances were the Jamaica Public Service shares, JPS, Stanley Motor, Palace Amusement, Lasco Financial Services, and Consolidated Bakeries, while the decliners included Main Event Entertainment, iCreate, Indies Pharma Jamaica, Portland JSX, and Radio Jamaica Limited. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.